Can't play the First Descendant because it becomes a blurry mess whenever you move? No worries, because in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue and play the game with high quality graphics. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the fixes. Solution 1. Change graphics settings. To do this, first open the game on your PC. Once you're in the title screen, click on Options. By default, you should be in the Graphics tab. Now click on the box next to Additional Options and choose Intel XeSS. Then click on the box next to XeSS and choose Native AA or Ultra Quality Plus. Now scroll down to the Advanced Settings and set Anti-Aliasing to Medium or High. After that, set Post-Processing to Low or Medium. Lastly, turn off Motion Blur. Next, switch to the Display tab. From here, increase sharpness to high. Now, go back into the game and check if that helped with the issue. Solution 2. Edit game files. For this one, click on the search icon and type in Run. Then click on Run from the search results. Now in this tab, type in %local app data % and hit enter. Then go to the M1 folder and then to the Save folder. After that, open the config folder and then the Windows folder. Now find the engine and double click on it. After that, scroll down all the way and paste this. SystemSettings r.TemporalAA.Algorithm equals 0, r.TemporalAA.Upscaling equals 0, r.TemporalAA.ClampTolerant equals 0, r.TemporalAA current frame rate equals 0, and r.TemporalAA filter size equals 0.1. Don't worry, you can copy it from the video description. After pasting the script, click on File from the top bar. Then click on Save. Now check if that should fix the issue. So guys, that's how you fix blurry game graphics in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.